Hi, this is Bianca. Take a look at the coat I'm wearing today. Do you know how to describe its color in Chinese? Yes, you're right. It's light brown, 浅棕色. What's your favorite color? Today, the expression we're going to explore goes beyond just color. We're going to delve into its deeper meaning. The word we are learning today is 底色, base color. 底 translates to underneath or base, signifying the foundation of something. 色 means color. In this context, it metaphorically represents the inherent nature or fundamental quality of something, akin to how color characterizes an object. So when combined, 底色 metaphorically refers to the foundational or inherent nature, the underlying essence or basic characteristics of a situation, an individual, or any subject under discussion. For example, 乐观坚强是他的人生底色. Optimism and resilience are the underlying essence of her life. 乐观 optimism, 坚强 resilience, 他 her, 人生 life. 底色 in this sentence is underlying essence. 乐观坚强是他的人生底色. Optimism and resilience are the underlying essence of her life. This expression isn't confined to daily use. It applies to various situations. For instance, 大国竞争不是这个时代的底色. Major country competition is not the prevailing trend of current times. Chinese President Xi Jinping said this when meeting with U.S. President Joe Biden at the Filoli Estate in California. He said, 大国竞争不是这个时代的底色，解决不了中美两国和世界面临的问题。Major country competition is not the prevailing trend of current times and cannot solve the problems facing China and the United States or the world at large. Here, he used 底色 to describe the world we live in and the current era. He also said that 这个地球容得下中美两国，我们各自的成功是彼此的机遇。Planet Earth is big enough for the two countries to succeed, and one country's success is an opportunity for the other. It is an objective fact that China and the United States are different in history, culture, social system, and development path. However, as long as they respect each other, coexist in peace, and pursue win-win cooperation, they will be fully capable of rising above differences and find the right way for the two major countries to get along with each other. 底色 base color 你学会了吗？